us as a research organization, it's quite important to see what's happening around the industry in terms of looking ahead at new technologies and looking at the CTVs and SOVs, looking at the next generation of these vessels and low carbon fuels. That's one of the areas we identified as a priority for both reducing the emissions but also reducing the cost. And that's one of the areas we want to go and understand more and find potentially some expanding network, but finding new partners for doing more projects in the future. Well, we'll talk about a project that we recently finished together with industry partners where we looked at low carbon fuels, both for crew transfer vessels and for SOVs. And we looked at different areas, but one of the areas was, can we use battery powered or hydrogen powered or potentially even gas powered vessels in a way that allows us to reduce emissions, but at the same time also reduce the cost of the vessels. And one part of that project was looking at completely new designs of vessels, and a different part was of refitting existing old designs. Well, there are quite a few challenges. The most obvious one is reducing the cost and increasing the local content. If you talk about UK, and I guess we can help using the vessels. The UK has a strong heritage in shipbuilding, ship design, in Glasgow in particular, where we come from. And I think that's one of the areas where we can, as a country, improve and bring more local content into offshore wind. I think we will see a shift with wind farms going further offshore, at least in the UK, because we've used up all the good sites. Maybe in other countries in Asia they still have untapped resource close to shore, but I think the vessels will change quite a bit. Potentially it even could happen that we have completely different vessels for transporting people to technicians to offshore sites and completely different vessels to transporting materials and technologies, equipment and spare parts. So I think that's one of the areas where we could actually see a split in terms of technology in logistics.